Hello students, I am teacher Krupa, your maths teacher. Welcome to my channel, My Maths Teacher. See students, we have already started with the chapter differentiation of part 1. We have already finished question exercises 3.1 to 3.5. The link of all these videos I have given in the description below. Today we will be starting with the next subtopic, that is second order derivatives, and then we will solve exercise 3.6 which is based on the same topic. So let's move on. Now let us see what we mean by second order derivatives. See students, if y is a function of x, then the derivative of y with respect to x is denoted by dy by dx or f dash of x. It is called as the first order derivative of y with respect to x. Right? Now if you again differentiate dy by dx with respect to x, then what we get is the second order derivative of y with respect to x. So d dx of dy by dx is nothing but your second order derivative of y with respect to x. And it is denoted by d square y upon dx square or f double dash of x. It is also denoted by y double dash or y2. Clear? Very simple. Just using the usual rules of derivatives, we will be differentiating dy by dx again with respect to x to get second order derivative of y with respect to x. Right? So let us start with exercise 3.6. So the first question is find d square y upon dx square if y is equal to root x. So first let us differentiate y with respect to x to find dy by dx. So as you know, the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Correct? Now again let us differentiate dy by dx with respect to x. So we get d square y upon dx square is equal to d upon dx of 1 upon 2 root x. This can be written as 1 upon 2 d upon dx of x raised to minus 1 by 2. Right? So by using the derivative of x raised to n, we can differentiate this. So you get 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2 into x raised to minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So that is equal to minus 1 upon 4 x raised to minus 3 by 2. This is your d square y by dx square. Fine. See the second sum. Y is given equal to x raised to 5. So same, first let us find dy by dx by differentiating y with respect to x. Now here also we have to use the formula of d dx of x raised to n, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. So you get 5 into x raised to 4. Now again differentiating with respect to x. So we get 5 into d upon dx of x raised to 4. That is equal to 5 into 4 into x raised to 4 minus 1. That is 3. So you get d square y upon dx square is equal to 20x cube. This is the final answer. Clear? Let's move to the next sum. See, y is equal to x raised to minus 7. So let us differentiate with respect to x. Here also we have to use the formula of d dx of x raised to n, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. So we get dy by dx is equal to minus 7 into x raised to minus 7 minus 1. So that is minus 7 into x raised to minus 8. Now again let us differentiate. So d square y upon dx square is equal to minus 7 into minus 8 into x raised to minus 8 minus 1. So you get 7 8s are 56. This minus minus will become plus into x raised to minus 9. Therefore we get d square y upon dx square is equal to plus 56 into x raised to minus 9. This is your final answer. Correct? Very simple. Let us move to the next question. Question number 2 is same. Find d square y upon dx square if y is equal to e raised to x. Very simple sum this is. We know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x only. So when you differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d dx of e raised to x is same e raised to x, and then again if you differentiate, again you will get the same answer. Again differentiating with respect to x, d square y upon dx square is equal to d dx of e raised to x. So that is same answer you get, e raised to x. So d square y upon dx square is same as dy by dx, that is e raised to x. And let's move to the next sum. See, y is equal to e raised to 2x plus 1. Now students, you can see over here it is a composite function. So let us write differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d dx of e raised to 2x plus 1. Correct? Now just now we have seen e raised to, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x only. So here d dx of e raised to 2x you will get same, that is e raised to 2x plus 1 into d dx of 2x plus 1, because it is a composite function. And so over here you get e raised to 2x plus 1 into, now derivative of 2x will be 2 and derivative of 1 will be 0. So you get dy by dx is equal to 2 into e raised to 2x plus 1. Correct? We have to find d square y upon dx square. That means again we have to differentiate this. So let us write again differentiating with respect to x. We get d square y upon dx square, that is 2 into d dx of e raised to 2x plus 1. So that is 2 into again e raised to 2x plus 1 into d dx of 2x plus 1. So that is 2 into e raised to 2x plus 1 into 2 plus 0. So you get 4 into e raised to 2x plus 1. This is your d square y upon dx square. This is your answer. Right? Let's move to the next sum. This is also a composite function. So let us write differentiating with respect to x. Now you know derivative of e raised to x is same, e raised to x. So here also derivative of e raised to log x will be e raised to log x. But because it is a composite function, we'll have to differentiate log x. So we write d dx of log x. What is the derivative of log x? It is 1 upon x. So we get dy by dx as e raised to log x into 1 upon x. Now again we have to differentiate, but now it is the product of two functions. So we will have to use the differentiating rule of d dx of u into v. That is u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So let us write again differentiating with respect to x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to e raised to log x into d dx of 1 upon x plus 1 upon x into d dx of e raised to log x. So we get dy by dx is equal to e raised to log x into, now derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x into derivative of e raised to log x. This we have already calculated here. So we can just number it as 1 and directly we can substitute the value. So you get e raised to log x into 1 upon x. Here you can write from 1. So you get, sorry, this is d square y upon dx square. So you get d square y upon dx square is equal to minus e raised to log x upon x square, and this also 1 upon x into 1 upon x will become 1 upon x square. So you get e raised to log x upon x square. So minus e raised to log x upon x square and plus e raised to log x upon x square will be equal to 0. So you get d square y upon dx square is equal to 0. This is your final answer. Clear? So with this we have finished exercise 3.6 and also we have finished all the exercises of this chapter, differentiation. The link of all the videos I have given in the description below. So go through all the exercises. Now as I already told you, this chapter is very important because all the further chapters are based on this third chapter, that is differentiation. Very, very important chapter. Learn all the formulas, go through all the sums, and only then you will be able to solve the sums of the next chapters. So all the best. Keep practicing, keep enjoying maths. Thank you.